Welcome to part 5 to the team building model project. My name is Michael Hakes and I am a sales associate. This week my parts were to do the front and rear seat and the center console, as long as with the rear axle. I used AK Turquoise and the AK Streaking Grime to keep up with the weathering look, as it has been used for several years. I painted the rear axle black, and I used a slight amount of the AK Streaking Grime to make it look like it has been used but recently redone to make it match John's muffler, for say. But that was my part of this week. Saying thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.